Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers, my dear students, my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mr.Bughio's YouTube Academy. My viewers, as you know, we have started English grammar topics. The first topic which we have completed, that is etymology, and we have completed just 25 parts of it. Those who have not watched my previous videos, I would request them to subscribe my channel. Just click the bell icon and share with your friends. The more you share, the more students will learn. We started the basic level, and after completing basic level, we will move to the intermediate level, and then we will move to the advanced level. So if you are not good at basic level, definitely it will be very difficult for you to understand intermediate level, and it will be very difficult for you to understand the advanced level also. So we started one topic, that is a noun, and in noun we have talked about the parts of the noun. We talked about the common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. We also talked about the singular and plural. We discussed the rules and regulations of the singular and plural. And today is a turn of the noun changer. So today we are going to talk about the noun changers. If you go through the definition, gender is a system of differentiating nouns and pronouns as masculine, feminine, neuter or common. So we will discuss about the masculine, feminine, neuter and the common changer. Yes, my dear students, masculine and feminine, few words are there which we have to remember as it is. There are no hard and fast rules. And few rules are also there which we have to keep in our mind to make from masculine to feminine. Let's see. So masculine definitely used for the male, and feminine is used for the female. And then common noun, common gender means we are using common gender for male also and for female also. And then we are having the neuter. Neuter gender means it is for use for the non-living. Let's see. Here we are going to talk about the masculine. For example, we are having the boy, man, brother, hero, rock, bull, lion. They all are showing the masculine gender. And when you talk about the female, definitely girl, woman, sister, heroine, hen, now, cow, lioness. So here the words are changing, some ESS has been used. So few rules we have to keep in our minds. Like one rule, what it says by adding a syllable ESS to make the feminine. For example, if there's a lion, then we want to make it the feminine, then it becomes a lionesses. For example, if there's an actor, then it will be actresses. Again, if there's a hunter, then it will be huntresses. If there's an instructor, then it will be instructresses. So second rule says by adding few letters after and before. Means we add some letters before also and sometimes after also to make the feminine. Like if there is a masculine rat, feminine duck. Masculine sir, feminine madam. Masculine man and feminine woman. Masculine hero and feminine heroine. Masculine servant and female maidservant. Uncle, male, aunt is a female. Bridegroom is a just only male, and bride is a female. Headmaster used for the male and headmistress used for the female. Similarly, we are having the